in the box?
Welcome to Poptography. My name's Patrick, and on today's What's in the Box, we got a package from Amazon. So let's not waste any time. Let's get this bad boy open and see what's in the box. So a box within a box. Very excited for this. We got the brand new Boba Fett #4, the comic book series, which is again kind of an extension of that retro series that Funko has been doing, and really excited for this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to actually take them out of the packaging. I'm going to wait until I get my little retro collection area set up before I pull them out of their boxes. But let's grab the other Boba Fett comic book and take a look at that. So here we have Boba Fett #2, which was a Walmart exclusive, and here we have the latest Boba Fett 4. So these are both pretty cool looking, representing different comic book covers. Really love the artwork on each. Kind of curious, did you get either of these? And if so, which one did you pick up, or would you pick up? I like them both. I have to have them both. I love Boba Fett. Very cool. Very cool. And they're not the same pose. The way they're, painted is so different on each. They really go with the comic books they selected. So very glad to have both this new one and the previous one. And to go with that collection, we have Luke Skywalker, which is a Walmart exclusive as well. So we did hear a rumor. So there is supposed to be a Kenobi, and we saw a leaked image for, as well as we saw that there is going in the rumor area a Darth Vader comic book. So, to have this kind of join the lineup would make sense, but I don't know how you go from 1 and 2 to then go to 4. So I'm imagining there's going to be something else that we're going to get. But yeah, pretty excited about this one. So again, please in the comments, let me know what you think. Are you excited for this Boba Fett? Would you get this and add this to your collection? Do you like the retro series or not? Some people don't like to collect these. They like the retro series because these are just a little big. But I love it. If you enjoyed this content, please hit the like, definitely subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode of Poptography. Until then, may the force be with you.